so much things that go on over the course of the year. What have you just come in, put some money in your pocket. The people them not give them car free.
No, we have
to support our creatives, support our artists.
Yes, so Africa Day was started in 1963 in Africa by Haile Selassie, Kwame Nkrumah and others who at that time that the African country wasn't independent. Ghana is the first democratically elected government in Africa, and it spread out all over the place. But this Africa Day is in commemoration of that day when a lot of African presidents and prime ministers come together. You can afford to do here, parade and bring a certain sanity. So that's what commemorating the advance of African leaders into an organization that is searching and seeking for the liberation and total liberation of Africa. And he has this part of the world whose domicile and these farmers with Plantation Island must recognize it and say how best we can add to the feeling and the attitude of Africanness. You know, because we have lost it. You know, Africa seems to be something out there. So when you look at all the people them in there, them African, but no one of them, most of them now say them African. Them also them are West Indian and them are no Indian. You know, them also say them are all sorts of other name other than being African. You know, we bring people that say no matter where you come from, as long as he's a black man, he's an African. And that's what this is all about. This is all about celebrate. Oh, yeah, what like you want me to talk.
I was agreeing with you, Mood.
Yes, so this is about look. You know, a very good look that people can. I don't know what people can call. And just looking at them out. That's the why you go to music somewhere. Nah, because I go to the food court and say that's about everybody. They can't really meditate and find them inner things. The world is outer things. So this is part of the inner thing. They have to sit down and reflect. Buy a book, I don't look at the book there, buy a book. I listen to to the analysis score them. I was a whole heap of people fight analysis. That is analysis. But you have a big tricks that get through all the way out there.
Yeah, trick you.
Alright, so one answer now is that Anansi is part of the whole process. The drum is a part of the whole process. And the realization that we are all African share the same history and culture. We need to find it. All the people that need to find it. We can't slam bomb out of many one. When it's out of one, many come. Understand? And it's not a this is Jamaica and this is Trinidad and this is that. They take all away from the same place and show it some over the south, show it some over the south. And with European countries can kill off one another, take away the one who did control the one there. And that's why we have English as well. And next door we have Spaniards, and further that side we have French. So them confuse the whole thing. Because if English can come in and now people say, how can I learn no matter? And if you listen to some of the music here, we not play. Even though it's French. Most Jamaican people don't know French. You know true? When you go to Africa, and you can walk on the road talk all 3-4 different languages. On the road, you know. You know what are these things. When you go there, you have to ask why people, what are they saying, what are they saying. So, come get it together. Come with another, come get it together.
Please get it better, Mama Muta. So Muta, we want to hear some more than music, alright?
Stop me.
We have to stop you, because people in the diaspora, they want to hear from you.
No, not that.
Me, people from the UK.
People them in Africa, the people them and all over want to hear from you, Muta right now. So they're hearing from Muta. So they're hearing from Muta. They're hearing and they're seeing Muta. And they want Muta more.
Muta, ready? I beg of you, the Bob Marley, African Bob Marley tune where the time, yeah? Africa unite, right? Anytime ready, yeah? Jerusalem, Ethiopia. Check. Answer.